Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to crop a screenshot on OnePlus Pad Pro. To crop a screenshot, first take a screenshot. To take it, click on two buttons at once, the power button and volume down button. Click on them at once and you can see the screenshot is created. Click on it, and when you've clicked on it, you can crop it however you like. Then press on approve and your screenshot is saved to Photos app. Open Photos app if you want to check it. And here is my cropped screenshot. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.